Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is June 8th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Tesla up $8.94 today, so up 1.25%. Closed at 725.60. Post market, we are up by 55 cents. This is looking good. So let's look at what we have here on the chart. So yesterday we bounced on 795, the body of this candle, and we bounced on this support right here. Today we opened up higher than 716. We opened up at 720. We had a low of 717. And we went quite high during the day, first hour of the day. Let's look at that in a few minutes. But we have a green candle. We came right up and then came right down. So we were pushed back down by the sellers. So this is a little bit disappointing. We are still inside this downward resistance, inside this downward channel. So we have not come out of it yet, but we are oh so close. Let's go see the 1 hour chart. So this was the first candle of the day. Look at this candle. This is a great candle. We like that. So how many shares? So 5 million shares of Tesla changed hands during that hour. And on average, we have 2.3 million per hour. So we had twice of the volume. And if we look at it in the past a little bit, look at the first hour of the day also on the 7. Look at here, first hour of the day, first hour of the day, first hour of the day. I think I'm seeing some accumulation. So we have people that are really accumulating first thing in the morning. They are buying a bunch of stocks. And then it caves in a little bit during the rest of the day. So second hour, we made a top here that we did not break. Then third hour came back down to basically 50% of the first candle. So this is a 50% retracement on the third hour. Then came down a little bit more. So maybe a 75% retracement. We still have stochastic practically at 60. We have it at 59. Hopefully things are going to continue tomorrow. Going back on the daily chart, stochastic is at 51, getting there. We had our MACD breakover a long time ago. RSI still not quite there, and DMI, well, it's going to take it a long time. So when I was watching this during the first hour, with a green candle like this, we would have had a break outside of this downward channel. And if I'm not mistaken, stochastic was above 60. So this was really exciting, but it didn't turn out that it stayed that way. But it looks like we are getting close to a breakout. And this would be the new channel that Tesla would be in right now. I just find this pretty. We had this downward channel here. We have this one here. And a couple of days ago, approximately a week ago, we had a move like this. We came down and now we are finding support here and we are finding support at 700. And let's hope it happens, but we are just about to break this downward resistance right here. So this would be the perfect buy opportunity because we are coming out of a big channel and we would be buying close to a rebound. So basically that's as riskless technically as you can get because support is right here. So if you buy, you can put the stop right here. So this would be a very small stop. And then Tesla could be climbing higher and higher like we know it can do. Let's go see briefly the VIX. VIX is still coming down, so we are happy about that. What happened with Dow Jones? Dow Jones is going sideways. So that's the part that, To get perfection, I would like to see Dow Jones starting to inch up higher. Stochastic is quite high. It should be going, so it's a little bit of a bummer that this is not happening. The indices are not falling down. They are just going sideways. So yeah, let's pray a little bit that things go up our way, because I feel like these indices, if they start going higher, this will also help Tesla. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. You can click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.